Hot-footed, a quick guide to understanding this quirky phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and expressive phrase in the English language, hot-footed. This video is crafted to help you understand its meaning, usage, and origins. So, let's get started and explore this interesting expression together. Hot-footed is an idiomatic phrase in English that means to leave or depart quickly, often in a hurry or to escape a situation. It paints a vivid picture of someone speeding away so fast that their feet feel hot. This phrase is commonly used in informal or conversational settings. To help you grasp how hot-footed is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. As soon as he saw the security guard, he hot-footed it out of there. When the bell rings, I'm going to hot-foot it to the cafeteria. These examples show the phrase in action, typically implying a quick or urgent departure. The phrase, hot-footed, has interesting origins. It's believed to date back to the early 20th century, with roots in American English. The imagery of having hot feet from running fast or urgently lends itself to this unique expression. When using hot-footed, remember, it's an informal phrase, so it's best used in casual conversations. Don't confuse it with literal interpretations. It's a figurative expression. Be mindful of the context. It's often used in light-hearted or humorous situations. That's a wrap on hot-footed. I hope this video has illuminated this playful phrase for you. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with fascinating expressions like this one. Keep exploring and have fun with the words you discover. Until next time, happy learning!